Hi everyone, this is Ruturaj and welcome to our channel Joint. In today's video, we'll be looking at variation of delta, theta, vega and gamma. This is theoretical variation. In practical, almost you can expect similar values. So for delta, so don't get confused with call or put, would be deciding the sign later on, but just understand that what is the value of delta now. Okay, may it be call or put, doesn't matter. So for in the money, the delta is always maximum, that is around 1, and for at the money the delta is around 0.5, and for out of the money the delta is around 0, right? So doesn't matter if it is in the money call option or put option, at the money call option or put option, or out of the money call option or put option, the delta value is like for in the money it is around 1, at the money it's 0.5, and out of the money it is around 0. Now if you want to decide the sign of the value of delta, then for bullish view you would be giving a sign of positive, and for bearish view you would be giving a sign of negative. So for example, a call buyer as you know is always bullish, so you would give positive sign to the delta value. Okay, now for call seller, you know that a call seller has bearish view, so you would give negative sign. So whatever the value of delta is, just put negative sign. And for put buyer, you know that put buyer has bearish view, so you would go give negative sign here. And for put seller, as put seller is has a bullish view that the market would go up, so you would give positive sign here. So this is how you decide the sign. Now let's see the variation of theta, vega and gamma, both call and put. So in this case, for in the money it is minimum, for at the money remember that it is maximum, you can see the graph here, and for out of the money again it is minimum. Don't think that theta, vega and gamma has the same variation as delta, it is different. Remember that at the money theta, vega and gamma is maximum, and then it tends to like become 0 at far in the money and far out of the money. So I hope this concept is clear. In the next video would be with some new concepts. Till then, take care. Thank you. Bye bye.